You guys are gonna love today's recipe. I'm making Marry Me Lentils, and it's another great meatless option. In a pot set to medium heat with boiling water, I'm gonna add a quarter of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, and some salt. Then we add the lentils and cook for about 20 minutes. To make this recipe even easier, you can use pre-cooked lentils and skip this step. While the lentils cook, I'm gonna dice a quarter of a red onion, wash some spinach, and set it aside. It's been 20 minutes and our lentils are ready. Drain them, set them aside, and in a pan over medium heat, add some of the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. Once the oil is hot, saute the red onion for about a minute, then add 4 minced garlic cloves and saute for another minute. Next, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and give it a good mix. Then add half a cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix everything together, then pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and stir until well combined. Now we can add the lentils. I'm adding about 2.5 cups and let it come to a boil. As you can see, it's now boiling, so now we add 1 cup of heavy cream and as much spinach as you like. Once everything is well combined, add some Parmesan cheese, give it a good mix, and this is the perfect time to check for salt. Mine needs a little more, so I'm gonna add some, then cover and cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our lentejas cremosas are ready. These lentils are comforting and loaded with protein and fiber. If you're looking for an easy meatless meal, this is it. All right guys, so now for the moment of truth. Cheers. I always get requests for meatless options on my channel, and today this is one that I think you guys are gonna love. They're delicious, they're so easy to make, and also if you don't wanna cook your own lentils, you can buy them already cooked, which is a good option if you wanna save time. But you guys should definitely try this. And it goes perfect with this type of bread. I added some butter and I toasted. And there you have it, delicious Marry Me Lentils. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.